I just wanted to do an update video on what's going on with my mining operation. Some interesting things have been going on and I just kind of wanted to show it off. First thing I want to show is that I actually got my buddy to 3D print me a phone stand, because before my phones were sitting on this thing and it wasn't very ideal for cooling because I couldn't get fans directly on them. So we got this phone stand 3D printed, and I'll quickly show you what it looks like with all the phones set up. Here's what it looks like with all the phones in it, and yeah, as you can see, like the reason why we got I put these on a phone stand versus what I built was because the fan is like directly cooling them now. So that's a lot better. But the only problem with it is like now it's just a fucking rat's nest of cables. It's kind of starting to look like the mining farm setup with all his rat's nests. But yeah, that's cool. And like, I don't know, performance over looks, right? And yeah, my second update was I actually printed a velocity stack for my CPU coolers, which it's probably totally overkill, but like, and it looks stupid as fuck, but you can feel the air is just going on it, like it gets kind of sucked in. And the purpose of velocity stacks is to give the air as little resistance as possible to get into the intake. So that's pretty cool. And my second update is my third update is I actually bought this phone, this S8 off a guy, and it was Google locked, and I was trying everything to get it unlocked, and I literally put in a random swipe password and it unlocked. So that was pretty cool. But yeah, that was my quick update of what's going on here. Just wanted to keep these update videos quick and just kind of like show you what I got going on. Nothing really too major has changed, but like it's all right, you know. Yeah. But yeah, hey, if you liked the video, like the video, and if you want to see more on my journey, subscribe, and there'll be more to come. So yeah, thanks.